Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and let me show you how to add a Google account to this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's enter the settings. Here, let's scroll and find Accounts and Backup. Click on Accounts and here let's tap on Add Account. Now let's choose Google. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. Okay, click on Next. Now we have to enter our password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and after that, click on Next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you want to read it, simply tap on it, choose the one you want to read, and here we've got all the info. Let's click on I agree. Here we've got the backup and storage info, click on Accept. And this is it. This is how to add Google account to this device. As you can see, it immediately appears. And now let me show you how to remove it. Let's click on it simply and click on Remove Account. Click on Remove Account. If you are sure, click on OK. We have to verify our identity. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, then enter it. If you've got a fingerprint, simply put your finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the Google account simply disappears. So that's all. This is how to add and remove a Google account from your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.